Hi, I am Kavita Mishra. As a software engineer, I mostly work on computers and simple no physical activities. So that was the main reason I thought of doing some physical exercises and joined the Kalaripayattu, which is a traditional martial art form of Kerala. I started over here as a 3 months crash course. Uh, Starting with the first month, I am involved into the various Kalari forms and the techniques. Uh, so this Kalari part is mostly of the physical movement, flexibility, and the combat techniques. I have taken over here, as everyone knows, right? The software engineers are working from home. So I took this opportunity to come and learn this culinary part. So I took accommodation in Kerala to the Ekvera Academy. Uh, Talking about the food, accommodation, the Wi-Fi accessibility over here, it's easy to work. You can come, you can work as well as you can have these physical activities and learn these various art forms of the Kalari Panto. Special thanks to Vishnu sir, who helped me to enhance my focus and perseverance. Standing ovation to you, Vishnu sir, for this opportunity to learn and enhance my the life skills that will help me to grow further in life. Thank you so much, sir.